Alright, my Sparrows lockpick set showed up in the mail. So we're going to open it here. Now I don't have anything to hold my phone, so do the best I can here. Let's see here. Well, well, just try to do the best I can. Okay, this is the invoice, the classic set. There's my name, Ryan Clay. I might end up getting my address on the video somehow, but we're going to cut this open. Okay. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh, awesome. I got a sticker. We'll be putting that on the truck here somewhere. My first time ever holding a real professional lockpick set. Very first time in my life. And I'm going to open it up. Wow. Wow. Okay, here's all my rakes. Comes in a little bag. Wow, that's cool. Put these back in their little thing here. Here's my padlock bypass. We'll open this up. Nice. Just the feel of this. Okay, here's my Adams Right bypass tool. Open this one up. I wish I had a better setup here for filming, but I don't. But I'm a new YouTuber. Well, I've been watching videos a long time, but wow. Yeah, this is an indentation right here as to which way it's facing. Let's see this. Oh, this also has it. Okay. So the Sparrows bypass tools come with the indentation showing you where it's pointing inside the lock. You know, I don't know if it would really work on this, but we gotta try. I know not to put too much tension on this because I don't want to break it. You know. And no, it doesn't seem to work on those. I just know not to, you know, not to break it. But wow. Okay, it's my very first time. I'm going to start the video. This is my Sparrows set. And we'll do a review on these here. That is nice. Good finish on this. The other hook. Nice finish on this one. There's my other little hook here. And city rake. And here is my other little hook in Bogota. I see the little indent up here for picking. Come on, camera, cooperate with me. Let's see here. Get the cameras to. You can see the little indent there on the top of this here. That's to help you find the top of the pin. And in a moment here, I'm going to try to pick a lock. Okay. My new Sparrows classic set. And this is awesome. And it comes with this this thing here I can unsnap that would I guess it lets me do something with it. Oh, there's another snap over here too. Somehow these can be snapped together, I guess, to make it do something, but this is awesome. There it is, guys. Okay. I thank Sparrows for sending this out to me, and I'm grateful to have my very first lockpick set.